Isanda John, Deputy Principal in charge of administration, Nyachogo AIC Secondary School. I'm in charge of discipline of this particular institution, and we wish to say that discipline contributed greatly to the good performance which was registered this year. So I would also wish to extend my gratitude to entire staff, teachers and support staff for what we call teamwork. We teamworked so well to ensure that discipline is maintained. On top of that, here in the school, we have the spiritual welfare, whereby we have even a chaplain of the school who helps greatly in terms of guidance and counseling. So these particular results, we are very happy. We have never registered such good results. Now that you can even hear that we had an A- in the school. This particular year, we are anticipating highly that A will come to this particular institution.
Community, they are very happy, if I can say they are very happy. Even when the day when the result was released, at least a good number, the school was crowded. And since that time, they have been giving us a lot of congratulation messages. The surrounding is very good for us at the moment, if I can say, and it has always been.
Avians came to Seko. I'm a 2025 candidate of the Great AIC Nyachogo School. I scored an A- of 74 points, and I would like to pursue software engineering. So a message to my fellow students, both countrywide and in this school, is that learning in a great school doesn't determine, just hard work and determination will do, because AIC Nyachogo is not a national school, but we are almost getting there because we believe in ourselves and we know that through our hard work and our determination, one day we'll also be a national school. So being in a national school doesn't mean that you'll always score good grades, but having that potential and working smart rather than working hard will also do. One major value is persistence. So being persistent in doing something helps you to get the concept. So like, for example, I was so persistent in going for consultations and reading. That enabled me to get the content that was required.